Hi everybody, welcome back to the Quarter Acre Homestead. I had a request for more garden tours, so I thought we would do a tour today. It's March 30th, and this is a tour of the Quarter Acre Homestead vegetable garden. Alright, so for today's tour, I thought I would just show you the veggie garden, and then another day maybe I will show you fruit trees and berries that we have. But just to make it so the video is not too long, I'll show you the veggie garden today, and then also maybe some of what we have been doing. So behind me here, this is our vegetable garden. This is our first year trying the back to Eden style with all the wood chips. So you can see our whole garden is covered in wood chips. My wife put the wood chips out there probably November or December, and she basically just pulled out our plants from last year and then put the wood chips down on top of whatever weeds were left, and it worked super well. You'll see there are a couple weeds poking up here and there. I've pulled a lot of them out. Let's see, so like down over here there's a dandelion coming up, a couple dandelions, but for the most part it killed all the weeds, which is great. Usually we will spend like days and days pulling weeds out of this garden. There's one section over here where we don't have any wood chips. There was a big huge broccoli plant. Actually, here it is right here. This broccoli plant was in the middle there, which kind of kept the weeds down. But otherwise, our whole garden would be like this, only worse. And we would, again, spend days weeding it. So wood chips helped a lot. Again, we are experimenting this year for the first time with the wood chips. So if the garden grows well, it's saving a ton of time on weeding. So we will be super happy. We have some peas planted here. Like I said, it's March 30th. So there's a sunflower there. Then we have like from last year, we haven't planted much. So let me show you what we've planted. So we've planted 2 little rows of peas here. We just scraped back the wood chips and then planted peas in the ground. We started some radishes. We have like 4 or 5 varieties. We started indoors, and then we planted them into the ground here. So again, we scraped back the wood chips. Since this is our first year, we don't have like decomposed wood chips underground yet, but we do have really good soil, so we're hoping this works. And so they're growing. We did plant some radish from seed over this way. So there's some radishes coming up. They're a lot slower, and those ones that the other ones that we started indoors, we actually started after this. Then we also planted over here some Asian greens, like bok choy, and I'm not super familiar with these things, so I can't even remember the names. Maybe tatsoi. So that's new to us. And then we have started some onions over here that we got from, I forgot the name of the farm, but some farm in Texas. We got a bunch of onions that we have started here. Then we have our kale from last year. We have some leeks left from last year. We have these boards laid out here just to kind of lay out our beds and our walkways. This is a completely different style of gardening for us, so hopefully this works this year. We have some carrots over here that have overwintered in the ground, so we are eating those once in a while. I did a tour of the chicken coop the other day. There they are. So that's basically what we have planted. Here we have some sorrel that overwintered, and then this is kind of our annual bed. So we have some big artichokes. We have oregano, parsley, some kale. This is celery. Let me show you the other veggie starts we have going. So here we have several kinds of lettuce. We have a bunch of beets, some more Asian greens there in the middle. We have some leeks and some different green onions, chives, broccoli, some more kale, amaranth, more lettuce. In the greenhouse we have some giant pumpkins, a couple giant pumpkins. I think I may have started them a little early. Here's a couple of figs that we're rooting. That's basically it for our veggie garden right now. Like I said, it's March, so it's a little early, but we are starting more seeds. Oh, I should show you these starts. So we have some pea starts here. Those are flowers that we just started today. We have a bunch of tomatoes, lots of different varieties. Our favorite variety for flavor is green zebra. And then here we have some lettuce. Over there we have cabbages, more green onions, more broccoli, some eggplant, some celery. And then this is a new shed we built this year. We have kind of our wood shed side full of junk right now. And this is our kind of garden shed side. So we've been planting seeds in here. We've been working on getting all the flowers started. So you can see all the flower seeds there. This is our mason bee house. It's really cool. You take a couple screws out right here and one on the other side here, and then this whole block will come out, and you can take those pieces apart in the fall and get your mason bee cocoons out. So I'm kind of debating whether to put our mason bees out right now or wait a while, because fruit trees haven't really started blooming yet, so I may wait a while. But I'm going to hang that house up here on our shed under the overhang where it gets morning sun. So yeah, that's a really short tour, but that's basically what's happening in our veggie garden right now. Let's see, so I posted a video the other day about saving tomato seeds, and we are going to have that drawing coming up in like a week and a half for some free Oxheart tomato seeds that we have saved. So go comment on that video if you haven't to be entered in that drawing. We are right now, it's kind of like everybody's stuck at home because of the coronavirus. So we've been trying to stay home, get a lot of gardening done. It's spring break. I teach, so I was doing remote, like distance teaching, but now it's spring break, so I have the week off, so that's nice. And then I also do website design on the side, so I do see some website work coming in that I'll have to get to. But otherwise, we're staying at home a lot more than usual, so hope you all are staying safe. And I'm going to try to do more videos, so maybe another garden tour in the next week or so, maybe look at the fruit trees and stuff, and then we'll try to do maybe a garden tour once a month so you can see the progression. Let us know if you have any questions or requested videos. All right, we will see you next time. Bye.